So in the game that we have right now, we're able to move around and we've got lots of asteroids. And when I run into the asteroids, nothing happens, but that's okay for now. Next up, let's get some lasers going so I can hit my space bar here and shoot some asteroids around and blow them up. So let's go to that. So we're going to head here, go back to actors and hit the plus button. And this new actor we're going to call Laser. Now as normal, because this is the version that has all the images built in, we have images right here. And let's see if I can find Laser. I can't. So it's not called Laser. Let's see what it's called. Maybe it's called Bullet or something like that. There it is. Actually, it's called Projectile. So I'm going to drag Projectile over to the image there. I have to close this first. And right there. Okay, there's Projectile. 52 by 20. I could probably leave that. That's probably a good height there. No problem. Let's go back to actors here. We have our laser. And we're going to want it to move. So, careful. I always tend to pick the move too, but you're going to want move instead. Right there. And then 300 is a good speed. You know, you can always change those kinds of things later on. Now, another thing that's going to be important is you're going to want it to destroy when it hits these asteroids. You want them to be destroyed, right? So let's set that up. Now, before we do that, we have all these asteroids here, but we haven't tagged them. And so we want to tag them to make things a little bit easier. So I'm going to tag them asteroid. Asteroid. Hit that button there. And tag the next one, Asteroid. That way it'll make it a lot easier. Asteroid. Okay, cool. Awesome. Now, let's go back to our laser here and we'll do a rule. Start this rule right here, add rule. And this rule will be when overlaps or collides with actor of tag asteroid. Then we want it to destroy the actor, right? Now, this got caught up inside here, so I'm going to drag this out of here. That happens to me a lot, so be careful about that. Sometimes you'll click rule, and then the code that you have will jump right in there, and that'll mess everything up. Anyways, rule, destroy asteroid. Did I spell that right? I did. Okay. Then we wanted to destroy it. Great. Okay, we have a game here. We're ready to go, and I hit the space bar, and nothing. It's not coming up. Oops. So that's a problem. So I have it so it can be destroyed, but I don't have it that it's going to spawn or show up. So that's what we got to work on next. So let's do that. So I'm going to go into the spaceship here. I'm going to close out this group move. See how nice and neat this is right now? Huh? Pretty cool. And I'm going to add a new rule. Make sure that rule is outside of my group move there. And this rule is going to be called shoot laser. Cool. So after we see his event mouse pointer, no. I want keyboard key, right? And you can use any key you want, but I like to use spacebar. So I'll hit the spacebar here. Then I'm going to want to spawn an actor. And I bet you know what that actor is already. Spawn the actor laser. Perfect. Just like that. And that should do it. Let's check it out. Let's see if it works. Cool. Nice. And you can see that the laser itself disappears whenever it hits a rock. But unfortunately, the rocks aren't disappearing yet, are they? So we'll have to work on that. So we can do that next. Okay. So now I want to make sure these asteroids get destroyed whenever they run into the laser. So that's pretty simple. And we can do a lot of copying and pasting, I think, here to make this a lot easier. So I've gone into the asteroid. You can start with any of them, but I started with large. And I'll hit add rule here. And that rule will be called destroy when laser hit. How's that? That's pretty obvious what that is. And now we'll do event will be overlaps or collides with actor of type laser. And you want to destroy it. There we go. Easy. Now I'm going to close that up, and I'm going to copy that. So Command C to copy. I'm going to go to asteroid, medium. I'm going to paste it in there. Make sure it didn't mess up with anything else. Good. And I'm going to go to asteroid small, and I'm going to paste it in there as well. And that should do it. Let's check this out. Now it should destroy the asteroids when it hits. So shoot it up. Yep, there we go. Cool. As you can see, I can shoot a whole bunch of them. Whee! Kind of fun. So we'll do some more stuff with timers and all that in a moment. But anyways, that's it. That's your basic ability to have lasers. You can see right now I have infinite lasers, which we'll fix in an upcoming video. All right, enjoy.